Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Kamble and I am from Group 11, first year, second semester. I am here to talk about signs of infection that should be reported immediately. So let's start with what are infections. Infections are invasion of germ cells in the body. The infections are of four types: the bacterial infections, fungal infections, parasitical infections, and viral infections. Infections can be internal or external. Like external infections are the ones which happen through cuts, bruises, and some physical accidents. So let's see what are the symptoms of infection. First is fever, second is chills and sweat, third is sore throat, fourth is shortness of breath, fifth is nasal congestion, and sixth is burning or pain while urination. Because of such change in lifestyle, it is hard to infiltrate if the person is really having an infection or is this the effect of bad lifestyle. So most of the time we get confused if we are having an infection or it is just food which we have eaten from yesterday. So to know if we are really fighting an infection, we should check for the following symptoms. First is fever, second is feeling tired or fatigue, third is swollen lymph nodes in neck, fourth is arm and also in armpits and groins, and other is headache. Or if there is any infection in a physical injury, we should know it is serious if there is it turns red or if there is discharge in liquid and also increase in pain. And the symptoms which we should report to doctor immediately are pain while urination, fever, fatigue, chills and sweat, shortness of breath, and discharge of fluid if the infection is physical on an accident. And we should report only if there are 2 to 3 symptoms of these together. And some precautions that should be taken while to prevent these infections are washing your hands well, cover your mouth while coughing, washing and bandaging all cuts and bruises, not squeezing pimples, not picking healing wounds, and not sharing napkins and other things that have direct contact with others. Thank you.